Hello viewers, welcome to this YouTube channel. Today we are going to see the top news that are happening in the current world. Don't skip this video, continue watching. In the end, I will tell you one interesting fact that will really amaze you. So don't skip this video, continue watching. Come on, let's go to the video. It's number 1. The England and West Indies Test match series is going to held in July 18 Southampton. The big news is that England have announced that they are going to wear Black Lives Matter logo in their jerseys for the Test match series. It's been a really good news. The Black Lives Matter logo is for the support for the black community people around the world. They are wearing this one to show the solidarity to the black community people and to raise awareness about the topics of equality and justice around the world. It's number 2. Shannon Gabriel, the West Indies fast bowler, has been now added to the West Indies squad for the England Test match series. It's number 3. It's a big news about the spot fixing allegations. Sri Lankan Cricket Board is investigating whether the match fixing allegations is done in the 2011 Cricket World Cup final or not. Now they are decided to withdraw their investigation plans because they found that no such evidence is there. They even questioned the Sri Lankan legends like Mahela Jayawardene, Kumar Sangakkara, Upul Taranga and Aravinda De Silva. But now they found no evidence of the match fixing scandal, so they now decided to withdraw this one. It's number 4. You remember IPL 2013, the Rajasthan Royals team. You remember it? Yes. It's the tournament in which the spot fixing allegations are made. Srishant, Ankit Chavan and Ajit Chandela, the 3 players of Rajasthan Royals team, are found of match fixing allegations and the lifelong ban has been imposed on them. Now Ankit Chavan is requesting BCCI to reconsider his life ban and want to continue his cricket career. I don't know whether the BCCI will accept this one or not. Let's wait and watch what is going to happen. And number 5, Sam Curran, the England's best all-rounder, is now in self-isolation. He found sickness while doing the warm-up game, so he is in now self-isolation. I don't know whether he will be part of the England's first match against West Indies. And number 6, the world's number 1 T20 batsman Babar Azam says that he's not feeling comfortable while comparing him with the Indian legend Virat Kohli. He told that when he will be compared with Pakistan's great legends like Inzamam Ulaq, Yunis Khan and Javed Mian, that he feels really proud. He not likes to compare with the Indian legend Virat Kohli. I don't know why he said that one. And finally, the interesting fact is here. Do you know which country won all the Cricket World Cups? All the Cricket World Cup means it is a 20 over, 50 over and 60 over. It's India. Yes, it's India. India has won. India is the only country in the world which has won the World Cup in all the 3 formats. All the 3 formats means they won in T20 over format and in 50 over and in a 60 over. No ever team in this world has won like this. India has won 2011 Cricket World Cup. It is a 50-50 over format. And India has won the 2007 World Cup. It is a T20 format. And India won the 1983 Cricket World Cup. It is a 60 over format. Many of them didn't know that 1983 World Cup is a 60 over format. But actually it was a 60 over format only. Later only ICC changed it to the 50 over. But in 1893 it was a 60 over. So India is the only country in the world to win the ICC Cricket World Cup in all the 3 formats. No other team has won. This is really an amazing fact. I think you like this video. If you have any comments, drop your comments in the comment section. I will definitely reply to you. If you like this channel, please subscribe and I will see you with some other interesting news and facts in the next video. Now it's time to bye.